just, and all who will believe will sing the song of ages to the Lamb. Your name is the highest, your name is the greatest, your name stands above them all thrones and dominions, all powers and positions, your name stands above them all. And the angels cry, holy, all creations cries, holy, you are lifted high, holy, holy forever. And people sing, holy, to the King of Kings. Holy, you will always be. Holy, holy forever. You've been forgiven, and if you've been redeemed, sing the song forever to the Lamb. If you walk in freedom, and if you bear His name, we'll sing the song forever to the Lamb. We'll sing the song forever and amen. And the angels cry, holy, all creations cries, holy, you are lifted high, holy, holy forever. Hear people sing, holy, to the King of Kings. Holy, you will always be. Holy, holy forever. I don't think we got our all part.